Right. Students, online students, am I audible to you people? So next, I will move to the further session. I hope. ಏನದು ಶಬ್ದ? Ankita, thank you, ma'am. Vaishnavi, thank you, ma'am. Okay, that's the part. Rohit, thank you. Yes. Thank you, my dear students, to all the members. God bless you all. So all the students, thank you. Those who are all wishing me on this Teachers' Day. And God bless you. Read Python notes. Okay. So Sai Kumar, happy Teacher Day, sir. We are lucky to have a teacher like you. Your words are always inspiring us. Right. So my dear students, thank you. So I got almost from morning onwards, I got the messages almost 4,895 messages I got it. So all the students, past students, present students, who are all I gave the number to them. At the end of the batch, I used to give the number for you. But it's called a guarantee card. Once the course is over, I'll give my number. What is that number? Guarantee card. That means once you go to an interview, any question comes, it is from my notes. There is a guarantee card purpose. I used to give my number. Okay. One student came today. He's going to office. He gave the card and he went. Actually, he came to meet me. I was in the class. Gave this card and he written something in the back side. He's a manager in the company. He's a manager in the company. So he's a manager in the company. So he gave a card and he will come and meet in the evening. Appointed as manager with a high package. Right. Great. So thank you, my dear students. Every day is a teacher's day. Not one day is a teacher's day. Every day. How you celebrate every day teacher's day? Sir will ask question, student will answer. That is called teacher's day. Teacher and student day, that is. Right? Sleeping in the class, not bringing proper notes, bringing doctor book. So these are all not correct. So anyhow, you be read well. So come to the next continuation part of it. So what is going on here? Transfer flow statements is going on. Already completed. Break statement is continued. Next is continue. We'll go for the continue statement now. Shall we? Right. So we'll start the continue statement now. Very simple. So not a difficult. Venkatesh. Behind every successful student, behind every successful student is a wonderful teacher like you. Thank you for everything. Thank you, Venkatesh. Thank you for your appreciation on the day. So now I will move to the further. So continue now. Fine. So we'll go to what is the purpose of this continue statement? How to understand this continue statement, syntax of it, all those things we will discuss it. Go to PyCharm. So let me close this PyCharm. Okay. So start our PyCharm here. Let's close this. Okay, this is we are in this place only. That is related to break statement only. I'll close this and I'll open this project. Open, open. So PyCharm projects. Under that, 11am loops. 11am loops, right? 11am loops. This is my complete programs, right? Fine. So this is a break statement one, break statement two, so many things. I've executed. Hmm? Really? Okay. Can I ask one question on break? Hmm? Who will answer me? Raise your hands. Who will answer my question? Raise your hands. Where are you looking back? You won't answer. Hmm? Who will answer my question? You will answer, ma? No? Okay. Okay. Anyhow, come to that. Don't fear, students, when I'm asking that. You be ready forward. Anyhow, come to the point. Continue statement I'm going to talk. Continue. Continue statement example 1.py. Continue statement example 1.py. There I'm going to write it. So carefully try to follow. So there I'm going to take up just a minute. Okay. So there I'm going to write it. S is equal to Python here. Same. Our previous class example. By using for loop, where I'm taking for CHNS, print of what? Backslash T, format of what? CH, and end of that. End of that I will take up. Students, I will write L spot here, and print of I am from L spot of for loop. L spot of for loop. So if I execute that, it is going to give you the complete result, right? Okay. Students, I'm going to enter into my requirement today. Today, my requirement is my requirement is very simple. What is that? I want to display, I want to display, want to display, what I want to display? P, Y, H, P, Y, H, O, N. P, Y, H, O, N. That means T is coming. I don't want to display. I want to continue to display the rest of the letters. Are you new, ma? డైలీ కమింగ్ ఎక్కడ కూర్చుంటారు మీరు అంటే ఈ రోజు కొత్త అంటే ఈ రోజే కొత్తగా వచ్చిన న్యూ స్టూడెంట్ లాగా చూస్తున్నాను నేను మేబీ మిస్టేక్ మేబీ ఎవరిబడి ఐ సీన్ ఇట్ బట్ సమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఐ ఫీల్ న్యూ లా కనిపిస్తారు ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఐ డోంట్ నో మేబీ ఓకే సో ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే PYHON. So when T comes, yesterday when you see when a particular letter comes, we stopped it and we break it, we came out, correct? But today when that letter comes, what we do? We don't display that letter, but we continue the loop. So continue statement will not execute that particular operation for that iteration only, but it will take the control to the top of the loop again. But break statement will do what? It will terminate the execution of the loop immediately when certain condition is satisfied. So I'm going to take ma. Please observe it. Come on, how do you write? For CH in where? Yes. Tell me. If CH is equal to, come on, T. Whenever CH is equal to T, would you like to display? No, I will say the word called continue. I'll say the word called continue. Continue. Actually, in Python, actually, according to my personal expert opinion is, you don't need continue statement. Idi 1947, Gandhiji, when he learned Python programming, that time this continue was there. Actually, this continue statement, I don't want this. I don't want. Without writing continue, I will happily write the code. I'll show you that. Forget about continue. Today is my waste of time of talking about continue. Without continue also, you can write the code. How, sir? I will show you. But understand continue. Beginning, I don't want to say this, but understand continue. So continue, I'm writing here print of what I'm writing, ch, I'm writing end is equal to something I am writing, end is equal to something I am writing, else part also I am writing, else part also I am writing. By using which loop here also, ma? For loop only. Yeah. Start here. Take the flow, all of you. S is equal to what here? Python. Start the flow. What is the value of CH? P is equal to T. Which line it will go? 14. That line number I want. Whether you are good or not, I need to know the line number. What is the value printed? P. Go to where? Loop again. What is the value of CH? Y. Y is equal to T. Line number 14. 14, what is printed? Y. Go to where? While loop. What is the value of CH? Come on. T. T. T is equal to T. True. True means what? Continue. Continue means it will not execute any other statements are written even after continue statement. They won't execute. Simply go to where again? For loop. It will go to the top of the loop and continues coming for that iteration only. What is the next value of CH? Come on. H. H is equal to T. Very good. Go to where? 14th line. What is printed? H. Excellent. Go to where again? 11th line. What is the 11th value of CH? O. O is equal to T. Go to where? 14th line. What is printed? O. Go to where again? What is the value of CH? N is equal to T. Go to which line? 14th line. What is printed? Go to where? Loop. What is the loop? False. Go to which line? Else part. Execute what? 16th line. And then printing the other statements or not? Whenever the break statement was taking place, else part will not execute. But whenever there is an else, compulsory what will execute? Else part. Because the loop is becoming false or not? Yes. Let us see this output, ma. All of you. See this now. Run this code. So got it. Python. I am from else part of for loop. I will bring to the new line. So I'm writing just what? Print off. So see that. Are you understanding PYHN or not? Yes. Online students, am I clear, mom? Even if I write after that print off hello, I am writing hello, I am writing print off what? Hi, I am writing like this even right. Even if it is true, continue is there. Whatever the statements you are writing after continue, they are in disabled format. Are you seeing that? They won't execute. Even if I write it, they will not execute. Understand? Actually, if I am not interested, why I will write? That's why continue is the very oldest part of our coding and still going on saying. Because some student, if I don't tell that, some students will ask, sir, continue statement you did not explain. 1947 concept, if I explain my time waste, your time waste, you will become 1947 person only, not becoming a good student. That's why certain things, outdated things, if you learn it, time waste. Correct or not? Yes. So I will go for remove this and I will move to the further. Online students, this is more clear, I hope so. Let me go to the second example. How to write the same example using while loop. Here you must be little careful, student. At the time of writing while loop, na, you must be little careful. Carry this now, student. I am going to write it. I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. 2.py. 2.py. This is the one written. My requirement is this one. I will say, already you know, by using which loop we are taking, ma? While loop. Do you know how to write with while loop? Yes, I is equal to 0. Hmm. While I less than len of s. I less than len of s. I will write what here? S of I. And you will write what? I is equal to what? I plus 1. So, else part of which loop? While loop. So, my requirement today is pyhon. How do you do that? By using while loop. Be careful. I will write I is equal to 0. I will write the same flow. While of what? I less than len of s. Then I am writing what here? S of I is equal to what? T. Continue only. What I will write? S of I. And I will write what? I is equal to I plus 1. Understand? So what is an answer you are getting here? Python completely. Here you will get what answer? What is an answer? Pyhon. Will it come? Will it come or not? It will not come. Why, sir? Can you trace it once? Come on. All of you participate in the tracing process, all of you. Start. So you participate in the tracing process. What is the value of while loop here? I is equal to what? 0. I less than 6. True. 0 less than 6. True. S of 0 is equal to T. Come on. False. What is the value of S of 0? P. P is equal to T. False. Go to which line? 17th line. What is the value printed? P. I plus 1. 1. Go to where? Loop. 1 less than 6. True. What is the value of S of 1? Y. Y is equal to T. False. Go to where? Printed. What is the value printed? Y. Go to I is equal to I plus 1. How much? 2. 2 less than 6. True. S of 2 is equal to T. True. True. What is this? Continue. Go to where again? Condition. What is the value of I? It was 2 only. It was 2 only. 2 less than 6. True. S of 2 is what? T. T is equal to continue, continue, continue. It will print only py. Continue, continue, continue. So if I execute that, you are getting the answer called py only. Which one is not coming? Rest of the letters are not coming. So that is becoming what? Infinite loop there. So I need to increment the I value when t is coming around. Before continue, after continue, before continue I need to write. If I write after continue, that will not execute kada. Same answer will be coming. So I will go to this place. Here I am going to write it. Students, this I will go for it. I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. This I will write it. I is equal to I plus 1. I will write it. Here I am going to say I is equal to I plus 1. I wrote it. Now you will get the correct answer. See the answer now, students. Is it PYHON coming or not? Yes. This is the subject of the concept of continue statement with while loop. When you are in while loop, any incrementation is coming. You write that incrementation before continue statement. Don't write after continue statement. Did you understand that special point there? Right. So, online students, I hope it is more clear. Suppose next example, another example I am interested to tell you. Next example is something like this. 3.py. I am going to take up. I am going to take up 3.py. There I am going to write it 3.py. By using while loop, I am writing. My interest today is to display py, py, t. N. PYTN I want to display. PY or something like PT, PT, HN I want to display. PT, HN I want to display. Which one I don't want to display? Y I don't want to display. O I don't want to display. Two letters I don't want to display. Whichever letters you don't want to display, you need to use continue. It is something like what? Continue statement is nothing but taking, these are all called mangoes. These are all called apples, for example. These are all mangoes available in a fruit shop. What are you doing? You are going to take some 12 mangoes or 12 apples you want to take it. So you are the person, this is your bag to keep the mangoes in a bag. So you are having some definition of good apple in your brain. Good apple. What is the good apple? You know what is the good apple. Okay. So you will start taking the first apple. You will search in all the directions. If you feel good, you will add to your bag. Next apple you are continuing. If you feel that it is not a good apple, you will continue with another apple. Are you breaking? No, you will continue. Hmm. You're not saying. Breaking and means not saying anything. Continue means not saying anything. So no movement in your body. Just seeing like that. Some change. Understanding momenta, not understanding momenta. I want to know. Continue or not continue? Not good apple. Not good apple. Breaka, continue. Continue. Here. Here. Good boy. You are a good boy. Sitting like a elementary school student. Good boy. But good requires some sharpness. Correct? Come on. So this is called what? Not good apple. Continue. Not good apple. Continue. Good apple. Put it in the bag. Not good apple. Continue. Like that. You are going on taking until your condition matches. Getting sharp. Now coming to this place, here I am going to say, in this case, how to write? How do you write? S of I is equal to T. Next, or S of I is equal to S of I is equal to what? Is equal to O. I am writing is equal to O. You are writing O. This is the one you are writing. Try to run, students. No? Hmm? So coming to this PTHN, I is equal to, try to run this PTPYHN, PTHN. So I want to go for what? Y. Y. So I will go for what? PTHN, I got it or not? Yes. The same thing, you can write it in this way also. What is this way? The same logic. For loop, you know how to write it. That I need not to tell you. That is very easy for you. That I will say. One more logic I will write it. The same logic only. I want to develop like this. So it is called 4.py. 4.py. So I'm going to take up this logic. So 4.py. I'm going to put it over here 4.py. There I'm going to write it. CH. Come on. In. CH in membership operator I'm writing. What is this now? Y. Comma what? O. O. If my values are inside of what? If my values are inside of this YO, I want to continue. Later, I want to print the data. So what is this now? PTHN. PTHN. So I will execute. See this, is it PTHN coming or not? Yes. So I hope that it is more clear, right? Sir, without using this kind of continue, can I do the logic? You can do it. You can do it. So how to do that logic? I'm going to use it. So continue statement to be used only inside the loops. Without looping, you cannot apply break or continue. Already you have seen. Same thing here also. Sir, I want to go for without continue. So I'm going to write it. I will write it. the same code I will write without continue also. So here without continue. Without continue, I will write it. Online students, carefully you try to understand. Without continue, I am going to take. Which one I will take? First, I will go to this example. First, I will go to this example. Understand this. Start. Here I will write what? Continue. So I don't write anything there. I will remove. Whenever I remove, you will get what? Error. Error. Indentation problem or not? So what I will do? That time I will say pass. I will write pass. Whenever you write pass, you have to write that statement under where. Else you need to write. Else. Compulsory you need to write else. When letter is T, don't do anything. Pass. Pass means what? Ignore. Else. If it is not that, you print what? CH. Are you getting? So to avoid the continue, you write pass and write what immediately? Else you write it. Getting my point? So you try to run the student, execute, same answer will be coming here also. Same answer is coming here also. PYHN is coming. Even while loop related things also, you can use this while loop related things also. I'm going to write it without. I'm going to say, I'm going to write it without continue statement example 2. This also I'm going to write it. Done. I will carry this statement. Here you will write it. So here I am writing it. What is this now? This part you say. Same while loop also. You are writing this part. You are saying simply here. You are writing continue. Remove that. Remove that. Now you are saying simply else. Here I am not writing what? What I am not writing? Pass also I am not writing. I am not writing pass. I am writing simply one statement. Because one statement is required. I am not writing pass. Execute. See my dear students. PYHN I am getting. And these are the ways and means to avoid that outdated concept. Understood? Come on. Yes. So here I'm not writing anything like, okay now? So don't write pass and this one. When you write pass and that one, you will get problem. Here it is not incrementing, kada. It is not incrementing. That is the main point. So you have to eliminate that point. Remove this pass. When you write pass, you have to write indentation. When you don't write indentation, you write what? Pass. So that type of thing. So online students, I hope it is more clear about it. I think you got it. So Prasanna is asking one doubt. What is the doubt? We will post it there. So let us coming to this now. So I'll take up Prasanna doubt. Sir, if the if condition is false inside while loop, then how I value updation occurs? Already said to you. Already said to you. If the condition is false, where it is coming? If the condition is false, it is printing or not? And incrementing or not? This is the simplest execution model of what? If statement. Okay, Ma Prasanna. You need to read if statement answer. This only. If it is false, if the condition is false, I said it is executed and updated. Okay, Ma, you got it. Right. She got it. So answer is there only. Answer is there only. Nothing difficult about it. Yes. So got it. Now I'm going to move to the further. Now I'm going to enter into the further. So is it necessary to use continuous statement all the times? No need. Happily, I will use pass I can use. And with intelligently, I can write my code nicely like this. Okay now? Shall I move to the further examples? Write down. Online students, I will show you because 1 minute more. Continuous statement example concept I will show. Then I will move to that. Simply forget about continuous statement. Of course, మీరు అన్ని మర్చిపోతారు అనుకోండి. That is a different story. But I want to tell you about continue is a keyword. Continue statement is used for making the PVM to go to the top of the loop without executing the following statements written after a continue statement for that iteration only. Continue statement is used for making the PVM to go to the top of the loop without executing the following statements. Means what? As I said to you here, if I write any statement, I said you already print of what? Hello. Print of what? Hi. These statements will not execute for that iteration only when certain condition is satisfied. That is the meaning of that sentence. Okay. For that iteration only. Continue statement to be used always inside of what? Loops. When we use continue statement inside of loop, then else part of corresponding loop also executes, provided loop condition becomes what? False. Loop is becoming false. That's why else part is executing. Right or not? Yes. Syntax for condition, some continue. After that, some statements written that are not executing. Statement 1, statement 2, statement n, they are executing. Syntax while test condition, if test condition, continue. I will go for a continue statement. And statement 1, statement 2, statement n, these are the things we got it. I hope you are understanding the significance of what? Continue. Is it compulsory, mandatory to write like a break to use continue also? No need. Break is compulsory, but continue is not compulsory to use it because I can use pause and I can use my programming thing. I can do happily. Understood this point? Huh? Right. Let us move to the programs. Open the notes, all of you. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept, which will accept, 1 minute, ma, which will find, you write, which will find, which will find, which will find, which will find, which will find list of, list of, which will find the list of, list of positive numbers, list of positive numbers, list of positive numbers, list of positive numbers from given list of, from given list of numerical values. Right. Hmm. Continue statement example 5.py. Continue statement example 5.py. So I'm going to take it. So there I'm going to write it. Look at student, all of you. 5.py. All of you. What I do here, 5.py. Program for obtaining, program for obtaining list of which values? Positive values, positive values, positive values, and from positive values from list of values. Okay. Look at students, all of you. Here I am going to take, it's a good example. LST is equal to some values I am taking. 10, 10, so 20, and minus 30, 40, 50, minus 15, some 13, minus 24, and some 56, some 0, and minus 34. These are my values. I want to print what values? Only positive values I want to print. Positive list values I want to prepare. How do you do? Tell me. For value in where? LST. For value in where? LST. If I say what here? Value. It will print all the values or not? Yes. See students, all the values are printed or not? But do you want 10? Yes. Do you want minus 20? No means what? Continue. I don't want? Continue. Do you want minus 30? No. Yes, sir. No. Continue. 40? Yes. 50? Minus 15? No. Continue. 13? Yes. Minus 24? No. Continue. Minus 56 only? Yes. 0? No. Continue. Minus 34? No. Continue. So tell me, how do you write the logic? If value greater than 0, value greater than 0, what should I do? I can say just a printer. I can just say printer. Print of what? Well. Well. Finish అయిపోద్ది. Output is coming. If you want to use specially what? Continue statement, then I will go for what? I will say what? Less than or equal to 0. I will say what? Continue. Continue. I will say what? Other than that, I want to print the value. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు. So what is coming? What is print of what? Value. Print of value. So students, I'm going to get it. Same answer is coming or not? That time, my interest is to take which values? PS list is equal to, I'm taking what? Empty. PS list is equal to empty. When the value is coming, what I will do? Value less than or equal to 0 means continue. When the value is not less than or equal to 0, it will come to line number 8 or not? Line number 8 means which value? Positive value. I need to add to whom? PS list. How to add the values to PS list? Append. How to use it? PS list dot append of val. Append of val. So the value will be going on appending. Finally, it will come to else part or not? In else part, I will do what? PS list. PS list will be printed. Print of PS list I will print. See students how easy it is. So got the positive list or not? Yes. I want to get what? Negative values. Negative values I want to get it. So go to this place. Here I will get it. Print of list of which values? Positive values. List of which values? Positive values. You got it. List of positive values, you got it. Negative values if I want to get it. Negative values if I want to get it. So I will go to here I will write 6.py. 6.py. I will carry this data. చెప్పండి ఏం చేస్తారు ఇప్పుడు? What I will do? 6.py. I'll take list of which values? Negative values. Greater than or equal to 0. Continue. Continue. What I will say? NS list. Negative numbers list. I will write it what NS list. List of which values? Negative values. I will say what? NS list. NS list. That's all. Execute. So got it which values? Negative values. See 0 is also there. 0 is not coming here. 0 is not coming here. 0 is not coming here. 0 because I wrote less than or equal to. Here also I got it greater than or equal to. 0 is not coming in both the places. Are you following me? Without writing also I can do. ఏం చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ? Keep that and say what? Pass. Whenever you write pass, I need to write compulsory what? Else. Else. This is the subject of it. Same answer. Okay, now? So you should be always having the knowledge on how to write with all the facilities. How to write with all the facilities. You got it. Okay, now? So can I give one small task for you? Will you do? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will implement the following. 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 See, consider the following. Which will implement the following. Consider the following str object. str object. S is equal to ఒకసారి వినండి అమ్మా. S 5 T R at the rate 7 STR I at the rate N 2 G 8. This one small question in the system test question. Here the question is, question number 1 is get list of uppercase alphabets. Guess the list of uppercase alphabets as separate list. Write down as a separate list. Get list of lowercase letters. Lowercase letters separate list. Question number 2. Question number 3. Get list of even numbers. Even numbers as separate list. Get separate list of odd numbers. Get separate odd numbers in separate odd numbers. Odd numbers as separate list. Last, get list of special symbols. List of special symbols as separate list. Get a list of uppercase alphabets as separate list. Get a list of lowercase alphabets as separate list. Get a list of even numbers as separate list. Get a list of odd numbers as separate list. ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకటి యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. Get list of even numbers as separate list in descending order. In descending order. Beautiful. Descending order. In ascending order. In ascending order. Are you following this? Actually, this question is string. That is string. A word is string. Are you following that? String. If the string is going to connected with what? 5, 7, 2, 8. Some odd numbers are there, some even numbers are there. Odd numbers to come in ascending order, even numbers to come in descending order. And the special symbols are also there. Tell me, you will do or I will do? Come on, you will or I will? Hmm? You or me? Hmm? You or me? Who will do? Students will do? Yes. So online students, will you do? Only Rudra Prakash is raising the hand. Okay. Mohan Krishna. Only 2 people are saying. Okay. Now everybody is saying. Okay. Good. Okay. Now everybody is saying. So please do that. And today I'm going to upload 100 questions. I'm going to upload. Today I'm going to upload these questions because Saturday is coming. What is this? List programs. I'm going to upload list programs. These many programs I'm going to upload. In code challenges, this many. Starting from where? 4. 4 to where? 34. 4 to 34 and 30 questions. Monday, if you don't do and coming here, especially boys, there is one mission I will bring here. Mission. That mission will have your skeleton related standing form is there. I will make you to stand on the mission. I'll switch on. That mission will move like this. It will move around. I will increase the speed. 100 km speed, I will keep it. It will move like this. What will happen? You will move like this. Did you understand that? If you go to any circus, some giant wheel will be there or not? Like that, I will make you to. You have to do it. And I will also post it. Couple programs also I will post it. Couple programs also I will post it. ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి మళ్ళా ఇంకొకటి పైథాన్ లిస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇంకొకటి ఎక్కడో ఉంది టపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఓకే పైథాన్ లిస్ట్ MCQs also I will post it. Python list MCQs also I will post it. MCQs list also I will post it. How many are there? These many are there. Of course, some functions concept is available. Don't worry about the function. 1 or 2 questions, if anything which is uncovered, for example, this is a function name. You don't worry about it. You don't worry about the 30th question. You need to think about almost all the questions you can understand. Yes, these things you need to do it. These are the 2 things I'm going to post it. If you don't do it, of course, I don't bring any mission at the moment. Nothing is there. Girls feared a lot. Monday vase kada mem. So I will not come like. If you fear like that, it's a problem. Like, don't escape from challenges. So anyhow, students, you take care. I will post these things, mom. So from now onwards, a big exercise is going to come for you. Programs list. Here I'm going to take it. This list programs are there. And string programs also I will post it. Today only I will post it. This away ikkada unnai. The basic programs also I will post it. Okay. So these programs I will post it. List programs plus string programs I will post it. You see, maximum frequency of a string, I will go for things like this. So continue statement, keep it aside. Now I will tell you one more program also. Shall I? Right. Online students. So need to do that programs compulsory. Right down. Write a Python program. I'm going to which will next? Level number 3 only we are in. Level number 3. You know, level number 5 levels, 6 levels are there. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list which will accept list of values and display those values and display those values and display those values display those values. So my question will be like that. See, all of you. So what is my question meaning is like this. What is the question meaning is like this. So I'm giving what I am expecting. I'm expecting. Expected output will be like this. Expected output. Look at. Enter. I want expect. I'm expecting like that. Enter how many numbers you are. How many numbers you have. How many numbers you have. I say 5. When you say 5, you need to ask immediately. Enter first number. Enter first number. Enter first number. I will say what? 100. Enter what? Second number. Enter second number. I will say what? 55. Enter third number. Third number. Say here what? 45. Enter what? Fourth number. Enter fourth number. Minus 23. Enter fifth number. Fifth number. I will say something like 12.34. 5 numbers I said enter first, second, third, etc. So list of values, I need to print like this. What is that? 100, 55, 45, minus 23, 12.34. Like that I need to print. This is what I am expecting. Shall we do it? Hmm. Shall we do it now? Yes, sir. This is called in the third level, next level, in the third, one step ahead of it. I want to implement. So let me go to it. Online students, did you understand my problem, ma? Did you understand my problem? Respond immediately. So I will go to the explanation, writing the code here. So let us go to this place. Continue statement. Anyhow, you keep it aside. Anyhow, you did that logic. This continue is not a big deal and don't worry about it. So first time I'm going to enter into read values. Read values example 1.py. Be careful students. Now I'm going to take up. So here I'm writing program for reading list of values and display. How do you do? N is equal to int of input of enter how many numbers you have. Enter how many numbers you have. Come on. If n less than or equal to 0, ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇది రాస్తా వినమ్మా నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు వినాలి కదా వైల్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ లిజన్ in the after the class you write it. You are writing this one, huh? Raskodi, listen, I'm explaining this. So here I'm going to take up. Listen first. Print off. I'm going to write it. Is what input? Invalid input. Is invalid input. Dot format of n. Dot format of n. Else. That means if my number of numbers are what? Positive. I need to get this to be implemented or not. How do you do? If you say n is equal to what? 5. N is equal to 5. I need to implement how many values? 5. Enter first number, second number, third number, fourth, 5, etc. In this logic, you must understand this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you need to take off. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is called what? Range of values. So I will go for I in range of in range of 1 comma n plus 1. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. I'll say here if I write I, is it coming 1 to 5 or not? So if I say 5, 1 to 5 is coming. Today I'm writing what? Value is equal to float of input of enter. What is that? Value. Enter what? Value. I will write it format of what? Dot format of what? I. That value I will preserve into where? I will add to my list. I will take what? One list I will take it. One empty list I will take it. Create. What is this? Empty list. Already empty list said. Why I said empty list? To tell you this type of examples. I am saying so many programs today I am sending. To do that programs, you require empty list, empty tuple. So much of discussion is required. Right or not? So much of discussion is required. Come on, students. I will go for, come on, lst dot append of value. It is coming to which part? Else part. What is this now? List of values. So I will say print of what? LST. Print of what? LST. Now I'm going to execute. Try to run. Super. Here I'm going to enter here. Now I'm going to say enter how many numbers you have? 5. Enter first value. Say 100. Enter second value 25. Enter that next 34.56. Enter minus 45. Enter 1 minus 1.2. Is it list of values printed or not? Yes. Clear or not clear? You say next time one more time. You say some 10 values. You say 100, 2.3, 4.5, 67, minus 78, minus 4.5, and a 0, 0, and next I say 1.2, and say minus 56. I say minus 123. Is it all the values are coming or not? All the values are coming. Getting my point? Very beautiful. So online students, this is a very important. Whenever you want to get the list of values, this is a way to get it. Okay now? Understood? Right. Right down. Next program. How many lines of code I wrote today? How many lines of code written today? 10 lines of code written. 13 lines now. Why? 3 to 13, 10 lines of code. In coming classes, I will write it in one line. One line I will write it. ఎట్లా చదువుకుంటే వస్తుంది అది కొత్తగా వాట్సాప్ చాటింగ్ చేస్తే రాదు ఇఫ్ యూ డూ గో ఫర్ ఓన్లీ వాట్సాప్ చాటింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ హౌ టు write it I will tell you one concept and on that concept I will tell you in one line I will write it finished you want to see that concept you want to see you will see later okay I don't want to deny your interest I will go to print of enter list of values separated by comma LST is equal to float of value for value in input of dot split of comma print of what LST run. So I am writing there 10 comma 20 comma minus 30 comma minus 1.2 comma minus 4.5 comma minus 5.6 comma 123 comma 45 comma. So got my list of values. How many lines? Huh? 3 lines. So I will write it. You see here I am writing. I see here I am writing. There I am going to write it. Try to run this. Here I will take up this data. Try to run this. Here I am going to write it. Comma 56, comma minus 3.4. Am I getting the values or not? How many lines? ముద్దుబాబు ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న లైనే కదా అది దట్ ఇస్ ఆల్రెడీ దేర్ నా అంటే మీరు చెప్పారు కదా సార్ అంటారా సో ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ వాట్ ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ execute that you say this many comma 67 am I getting or not how many lines అది అర్థమైందా ఇక్కడ ఏమి మ్యాజికల్ లేదు మ్యాజిక్స్ లేవు మంత్రాలు లేవు ఓన్లీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ దేర్ హౌ టు రైట్ ఇట్ బ్రెయిన్ చదువుకోవాలి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళినామంటే చదువుకోవాలి రిలేటివ్స్ అది ఇది జాబ్ వన్స్ యూ గెట్ ద జాబ్ everybody will come to you so get back to this lines of code that's all okay now ఈ చెడ్డ తిరుగులన్నీ జరగకూడదు బాయ్స్ ఆ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ టైగర్ చింపాంజీ ఇవన్నీ వేషాలు వేయకూడదు యూ హౌ టు స్టూడెంట్ అంటే స్టూడెంట్ లాగా ఉండాలి ఓకే అంబ్రిల్లా కటింగ్ ఇవన్నీ చేపియకూడదు cutting is only student cutting okay anyhow you understood online students first you practice this then we'll go for it right now write a python program Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of numerical values. Which will accept list of numerical values. Which will accept list of numerical values. Which will accept list of numerical values and find their sum and average. Find their sum and average. Find their sum and average. Can you go for it? So I need to read what? List of values. For reading list of values, can I copy this as this? Right. Look at online students. I'm going to take up find what? Sum and sum AVG. AVG dot what? PY. And in error mom EX1 dot PY. This I'm going to write it. So program for accepting list of values and find sum and AVG average. Okay. For finding, I need to read a list of values or not? Right. ఏమది PY PI అదేంది ఎందుకు అలా రాశారు ఎందుకు అలా రాశారు delete. So find sum AVG example1.py. Okay. So program for finding sum and average of list of numbers. List of numbers. Following? Right. Tell me. I will carry this list of values. Sorry. So this part I got it. This is anyhow giving you find how many numbers sum and average you want to find. Okay. If it is that you are reading list of values, correct? You are reading the list of values, students. Okay. List of values are there with me. After that, you need to find what? Assume that LST contains what? 10, 20, 13 or మీకు మళ్ళీ సమ్స్ వచ్చో లేదో నాకు డౌట్ 40, 50, 30 and then 40 and then what? 50. For this, I want to find the sum and average. How do you find the sum and average? Come on. Already said now in the class. I will take what? S is equal to 0. Get the first value. Add to S. Get the second value, add to S. Get the third value, add to S. So on, all the values. How do I write, mom? For value in where? LST. Okay. S is equal to S plus equal to what? Val. What is that plus equal to val? Shorthand operator. Else part I will write, and I will write what? Sum is equal to what? Dot format of what? Yes. Beautiful. So code for finding sum of list of values, right or not? List of values. Average also need to find or not? Print of what is this now? AVG is equal to Dot format of what? S by. S by. Come on. N. What is that N? Number of numbers. In place of N, one more way I want to write it. What is that? N అంటే ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మీకు అర్థమైపోయింది. వితౌట్ N I want to write it. What you will do? ముద్దులు. LN of LST or not? List of values in LST is nothing but N కదా. Why you are not getting that thought? మనకు చదువు లేదు. ఏముంది మనకు? వాట్సాప్ ఉంది. అదొకటే ఉంది మనకి. అది లేకుంటే మనం బతుకులేము అసలు. రైట్, డన్. సో got it. So I'm going to run. Let's run this 5 values. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the sum? Sum is equal to 150. Average is equal to 30. 150 by 5. అంతే కదా, అదన్నా వచ్చు కదా, అది వచ్చు. సో got it. Understood? Yes. I will go for what? Something like this. 6, 10, 20, 30. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. What is the sum? 0. What is an average? 0.0. 0.0. So sum is 0.0. Sum average is also 0.0. Are you following that? Because positive numbers and negative numbers are same. Adding and then done. Are you following? Right. So coming to the point back, this is what is going on here. Are you following that? Online students, are you understanding this part? Now, this function, this concept, my dear students, please observe it. When I go to this place in Python environment, you observe it. LST is equal to, this is my list of values, ma. You can find by using one library function also. What is the function name? Sum of LST. Sum is one of the predefined function which you can get 150. Sum of LST by what? LN of LST. Also you will get 30 or not. So మన తెలివి యూజ్ చేయాలి. You have to use your intelligence to find the sum, and you have to use your smartness to use the library. So student require both the sides sharp. How to write the code without using library, and how to write the code quickly by using library. So you need to be in research and development, and you need to be simple developer. That is what my class deals with. If you don't read the notes, you రెండు రావు. ఏమొస్తుంది? వాట్సాప్ వస్తుంది. So how to do that? This I'm going to write it. I'm going to use it. This is without using predefined function. Without using predefined function. What? Sum of. So I'm going to use it, student. Here I'm going to use it. Here I'm writing there. So 2.py. I will carry this entire thing. I'll write it. In this case, I don't write the code for this. I am using simply sum is equal to list is equal to simply I will use what? చెప్పండి. Sum of LST average is equal to what? Sum of what? LST divided by what? LN of LST by using what? Predefined function sum of. Are you getting me? Getting or not? Execute. Enter how many numbers you have? 5, 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50. So I got it or not? Like this. Got it up? Like this. This is by using which function? Predefined function. Okay? Right. Next. One more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. which will accept list of values. Which will accept list of values. Write a Python program which will accept list of values and and find max value, max highest value, maximum value, maximum or highest value, maximum or highest value from list. That's all. It will accept list of numerical values and find maximum value. It is called highest value. Okay, right. Look at students here. This is my LST. LST is equal to, this is LST is equal to, I am saying something like -4 and 55, 12, 34, something like 67, like that I am having. To find the maximum, I will use what? Max. There is a function called LST. It will give you the max of that. I don't want to use max. If you come to my company, I will give you what? Accept that and don't use max function, I will say. What you will do? No, no, sir, I will use max function only. What you will do? They will think that you are not an intelligent. How do you know it is an intelligent? I will write the code without using predefined function. So min function I am going to say, min of LST, it will give you the least value. Both of them I want to write my own code. Can I write my own code? So I'm going to use it. Online students, coming to the point back, here I'm going to write it. So 2.py with the function, without function I said. So I will go to, what is this example? Come on students, find max example 1.py. Find max example 1.py. So there I'm going to write it. Here I will carry this part I am going to carry. This I will put it. Program for finding max value from where? From list of values, from list of numbers, without using what? Predefined function called max of. Okay, I will read my values or not? Come on, students. So this is the values I am getting. So enter how many numbers you have. You have, yes, 5 or 6 or 10 or how many. You read that. You read. Why only taking list? Why not a tuple I am taking? Why not I am taking tuple? Because tuple does not contain append. It's an immutable. Immutable object cannot be appended now. Yes. So I got list of values. So I got 2, 4, like this I am having. These are my list. So now I am writing what? Code for finding. Come on, max. Ready? Code for finding max. What it is saying? ఇది రాయమంటుంది రాసరా అదే అందుకని ఎంటర్ ప్రెస్ చేసిన తర్వాత దానికోసం అలానే రాయకండి. Machine doesn't have its own sense. The sense will be created by the human sense. That's why we must create our own sense by reading the notes concept. Notes is your intelligent generator. You have to read always notes. By morning one time, evening one time. It's a medicine for you to your intelligence. Okay, fine. Start. I'm taking from there max value is equal to list of 0. I'm going to write. ఒక వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటున్నా నేను. I'm taking one value. What is that value? ఏంది అది? లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 0. నేను రాయంగానే కోడ్ వచ్చేసింది. I wrote the code, I got it. It understand what is my intelligence. But will you write that? Starting point ఉండాలి కదా. Switch ఆన్ చేయాలి కదా. So max of what? 0. What is the max value right now? What is the max value right now? 10. Yes or no? List of 0. Muddu. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I will take for value in where? for value in where? LST. LST. What is the value coming? Muddu. 10. 10 greater than max value. Muddu Babu. What is the value? 10. What is the max value already? 10. Is value greater than max value? False. Next, go to loop. What is the value? 2. 2. 2 greater than max value? False. Next, 30. Value. Value is 30. 30 greater than max value? True. Update the max value with what value? Correct. So what I will write? If value greater than what? Max value. If value greater than what? Max value. Max value. If value greater than max value, then do what? Max value is equal to val. Max value is equal to val. Trace. Trace the logic. What is the list of 0? 10. What is the max value? 10. What is the value here? Come on. 10 greater than 10. 10 greater than 10. False. Go to where? Loop. What is the value next? 2. 2 greater than 10. False. Okay, max value still 10 only, right or not? What is the next value? 30. 30 greater than 10. True. Max value is equal to. So this is called what? 30. Go. Again go back. What is the max value? 4. 4 greater than 30. False. Next value. 50. 50 greater than 30. Max value is equal to what? 50. So what is the value placed? 50. What is the next one? The for loop is what? False. False means come to where? Else of. What I will do? Print of max of like this is equal to dot format of LST comma what value? Max value. Super. That's all. This is a code for finding what? Max. Okay. Run this code. Say what is this value? 10. Okay. 5, 10, 3, 4, 40, 5, 80. Okay. 8. Like this. What is the max value here? 40. 40. Run. Here you have 10 values. So 2, 4, so 12.34 minus 4.5, 23, 56.78, 5 minus 6, 0, 12. What is the max value here? What is the max value? 56.78 is the max value or not? Got it. Are you finding how to find the max? Online students, are you there? Are you there, online students? Is it clear for all of you? Right. Done. So this is, if you want, this is without using what? Predefined function. By going to predefined function, how do you write it? 2.py. 2.py. This I'm going to take up. See students, how simple it is. By using which function? By using which function? Predefined function called max. So go to the place. You need not write the code for max. Simply to leave it. Go to the place. Max. I will go to this place. I will write what here? List, comma what? Max of what? LST. Max of LST, right? Max of LST. This is smart. This is smart. Smart ante just using spontaneously. But is it real smart or dummy? Dummy? If you write that original code, you are extraordinary. Run this. So run this code. Execute. Here I am going to say 6 I have 10, 2, 34.56 minus 5, 234. I say 5. Got it 234.0 or not? This is by using what function? Max function. Will you write the code for minimum? Then ఇంకొక విధంగా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. With index, with range concept. With range concept. Do you know that? రాదు అది. So చూడండి, in how many ways you can do. Once you have very good haircut, you can comb any direction, provided when you have good hairstyle. Hairstyle is called what here? Subject. Physical hairstyle is not a hairstyle here. So why I will prefer that logic? First time when you are taking this when you are taking this answer, it is going to show what? First time this loop is becoming no execution now. Loop is done, no answer is coming. Loop is coming. First value compared with the first time, that is compulsory false only. Suppose if I have this many values, compulsory how many times executing? 5 times. Muddubabulo, when I took it as a compared with a 10 only. So if I have 5 values, compulsory 5 times it is executing. But when I took a first value, I should not start with the first value. I should start with what? Next value onwards. So I am going to minimize my time or not? That is an intelligence. So I will write it. What I say, for index in range of 1 comma ln of LST. ln of LST. 1 నుంచి start చేస్తున్నాం. LST of 0, anyhow I took it. What is my index? 1. What is the index of 1? 2. I will write it LST of index. What is the LST of index? What is the index value? 1. LST of 1 is what? 2. 2 greater than what? Max value. If it is that, you write what? LST of index. LST of index. Otherwise, you do what? Repeat. Start. One time you start. This is a 20. This is a 3. Start change. Fast. What is the LST of 0? 10. What is the index? 1 to LST. What is the index value? 1. LST of index? 20. 20 greater than what? 10. True. Max value is equal to what? LST of 1. 20 kept in where? Max value. Go to where? Index value 2. 2. LST of 2. 3. 3 greater than what? 20. False. False. False means not going. It is going to be the next. What is the next value? 4. LST of 4. 4. 4 greater than 20. False. LST will be the next. Come on. 3. 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a 50. LST of 4 is what? 50. 50 greater than 20. True. Max value is equal to what? 50. Going back, what is the next? It is a false. It will stop in the LST time. And that value I am printing. Super example. Go to that. Say 5, 10, 20, 3, 40, 5. So got it 40. Okay now? So mana logic tells and all. Once you know data types well, this is dead easy. Once you know data types, which I taught to you, almost garbage collector near to that collection only. It will eat away. It will eat away. This is a subject of what? How to find the max. Can you do min also? Min program by yourself? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of numerical values. Which will accept list of numerical values. And find lowest value, that is minimum value, and find minimum value, and find a minimum value. That is nothing but what? Least value. So you do 2 ways. One is by using what? 3 ways stored. Now change. By using index, by using min function. Min function is also there. And you use 3 logics you use. Anyhow, I am posting now. Based on this, you try to do. Okay now. So I'll stop the class, and this logic, these programs which I said now, I will post tomorrow. Tomorrow also I will tell you some more logics. With that logics you can do. Okay now. So with that logics you can do. So mobile, pen, book, pen. So don't miss the tomorrow class. Tomorrow I will post these programs. Tomorrow also some more logics I will tell you. Try to do that. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, if any doubts are there, you hold on. I will connect to you very